Imagine a world where machines not only share the workload, but also ensure the safety of every worker around them. This is not science fiction. It's the unfolding reality of artificial intelligence in industrial safety. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the capability of machines to mimic human-like decision-making and problem-solving. In the realm of industrial safety, AI is a game changer. It analyzes vast amounts of data from sensors and cameras in real time to predict and prevent accidents before they happen. By integrating machine learning algorithms, AI systems can identify patterns and anomalies that might escape human eyes. This proactive approach allows for swift interventions, reducing the risk of accidents and enhancing the overall safety environment. Consider the example of a manufacturing plant, bustling with activity, where heavy machinery operates alongside human workers. Here, AI systems monitor the plant's operations continuously. Cameras equipped with computer vision scan the floor, identifying potential hazards such as slippery surfaces or misplaced equipment. In one instance, an AI system detected a minor oil spill near a critical pathway. Before any human noticed, alerts were sent out, and the area was cordoned off for cleaning. Such preemptive actions are only possible through the constant vigilance of AI, which never tires or loses focus. Another fascinating example is in the realm of construction. AI-powered drones are increasingly being used to survey construction sites, offering a bird's-eye view that captures details humans might miss. These drones can assess structural integrity, monitor progress, and identify unsafe practices from above. In a notable case, a construction company implemented AI-driven drones to inspect a newly erected scaffold. The AI detected subtle deviations in the structure that could have led to a collapse. By addressing these issues promptly, the company not only saved costs, but potentially saved lives. AI's impact isn't just limited to real-time monitoring and intervention. It's also transforming how industries approach safety training. Virtual reality environments powered by AI allow workers to experience simulated hazardous situations without any real-world risk. These immersive experiences train them to react appropriately, honing their skills in a safe, controlled setting. In industries like oil and gas, where the margin for error is thin, such training can make a significant difference in preventing accidents. However, the integration of AI into industrial safety isn't without its challenges. The reliance on AI systems raises concerns about data privacy and the potential for technology to fail. Malfunctions in AI could lead to missed warnings or, worse, false alerts that cause unnecessary panic or downtime. Furthermore, there's an ongoing debate about the potential for AI to replace human jobs, even though its primary role in safety is as an assistive tool rather than a replacement. The future of AI in industrial safety is promising, yet it demands vigilance and responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, its potential to create safer workplaces grows exponentially. The key will be balancing the incredible capabilities of AI with the need for ethical oversight and human judgment. Through thoughtful integration, the dream of workplaces free from accidents might just become a reality. As industries continue to harness the power of AI, its role in safeguarding human life becomes not just a possibility, but a necessity. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.